Step into the 2015 Lexus ES350. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is ready to drive off the showroom floor. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated six-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Lexus prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by a power seat, a blind spot monitoring system, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated and ventilated seats, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Lexus also prioritized safety and security with features such as anti-whiplash front head restraints, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.